In order for your vehicle to drive straight and handle properly, the suspension must be precisely calibrated so that the wheels sit perfectly vertical. Also, correct alignment maximizes your tire life, tire performance, and your gas mileage too. Fact is, everyday driving over bumps, rough roads, and especially potholes may throw your car out of alignment. If this happens, you may feel pulling to one side or a steering wheel vibration, see uneven tread wear or an off-centered steering wheel, or hear squeals around corners. It's time for an alignment. Our technicians use high-tech equipment to properly align your wheels to manufacturer specs and look for worn or damaged suspension parts. Remember, have your alignment checked every 30,000 miles or whenever you purchase new tires. Call to schedule an appointment to see our factory-trained technicians.